Hi everyone, today is I think it might be the most exciting day for Westman Atelier. Meet our Vital Skincare Complexion Drops. Since we launched Westman Atelier, you have all been asking for a liquid foundation. I had a dream formula in mind that merged my favorite serum for my makeup bag plus the easy, radiant coverage of a skin tint. It had to actually work with your skin and not just sit on top of it. This beautiful product will come in 20 shades. This formula is best for dry to combination or normal skin. We've chosen the right actives at the right percentages so the formula will be effective. Super important that you shake the tottle so you activate the formula. These drops are the result of years of trials with the labs. The finish is light to medium. It gives you that, you just had a facial kind of glow. This formula is so special, it had to have its own brush. Look at this. This is our liquid blender brush. It starts off as a lightweight oil, and then it goes on like a cushiony, beautiful serum. I can get more coverage if I'd like by patting it on. So you compare this side to this side. So the instant benefits are it hydrates, it soothes, it smooths, and it evens your tone. Long-term benefits, it improves texture, firmness, and radiance. So your skin will act younger and look better over time, even when you wash it off. So I kind of like to consider this as the last step of my skincare routine and the first step of my makeup. Okay, so now we have to talk about the active ingredients. My most favorite ingredient ever in the history of ingredients is tsubaki oil, and it does everything. It's kind of the mastermind of ingredients. The cold pressed oil itself comes from the camellia flower. So it works to hydrate, it works to firm, it works to retexturize and resurface. It's high in vitamins A, D, C, and E. I mean, what more could you ask for? That's just one ingredient. So then we have Ginseng Extract, which is a huge, really important plant in herbal medicine. It really brightens your skin. Pomegranate Extract is rich in antioxidants and neutralizes free radicals. Ginger root complex calms and soothes instantly and over time. This formula also protects against pollution and blue light. And of course, no silicones, no phthalates, no PEGs, no talc, no synthetic fragrance. It's vegan, no animal testing, of course, and it's cruelty-free, of course. So I really wanted something that was going to be light but rich, that felt super ultra modern. Of course, not using silicones was a huge challenge. It glides on so easily, it corrects so quickly. I mean, my skin, you saw what it looked like before. It corrected all of that. I have nothing else on, and my skin feels radiant, but in a beautiful way. It feels light, it feels hydrating, it feels fresh, and it feels like me. I wanted to reassure you that there's the same amount of foundation that you would find in your normal foundation bottles, but we've reduced the amount of plastic. So we have less waste, less impact on the environment. This material here is made from the waste of sugarcane, and it has a very low impact on the environment. So the base is recyclable, the cap and the spout are recyclable via pact, okay? So we're doing everything we can to be more conscious of our impact on the environment. If you're, obsessed with Vital Foundation, with the stick, you're gonna be obsessed with this, and you're gonna see that they're different and they work together beautifully, and there's a place for both of them. And if you are unsure of your shade, head over to our Clean Beauty Concierge, and they are incredible. They will help you out and direct you and guide you for, around any questions you might have. And really, it's such a beautiful formula. Don't forget to shake to activate, and just get ready to enjoy and meet your new skin. Bye.